And welcome back children to our part 2 video of today's assignment. And as you all know that we are doing chapter number 10, that is articles a and the. Okay, and we are doing this chapter, we have started this chapter this week only, and I have explained it to you. I have completed all your book exercises, as there were only 2 book exercises. I have completed that, and then I have given you first exercise in your notebook to write was the introduction part. So I want, before starting this exercise children, I want to show you the previous work which we have done. So let's see. The first exercise which I gave you for your notebook of this chapter was on 20th of July. Okay, so we have started this chapter in our notebooks. Chapter number 10, A and the. Part A was the introduction part, in which I have given you all the introduction points, 5 points, in which the main topics, the main part of this chapter was given to you all. Okay, like the words a and the are called articles. A and और the को हम लोग articles बोलते हैं. Then the second point was we use a before the words beginning with a consonant sound. हम a का use तभी करते हैं जब कोई भी word consonant के sound के साथ शुरू होता है. Then third point was we use and before words beginning with a vowel sound. And को हम तब use करते हैं जब कोई भी word vowel sound से या vowel से start होता है. Okay, and next point was we use the with particular things और बिफोर समथिंग डेफिनेट विच इज़ ऑलरेडी नोन. द का यूज़ हम तब करते हैं जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर थिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं, या फिर उस चीज़ को हम पहले से ही हमें पता है उस चीज़ के बारे में कि इट इज़ अ डेफिनेट थिंग. ओके, देन कम्स योर लास्ट पॉइंट विच वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड it is very interesting also, that there are 2 words, honest and are, which when we write h in the starting. Okay, these words start with h, but when we pronounce these words they give us a sound of a vowel. Okay, they give us a sound of vowel, that is o. We pronounce it like honest and are. So this is giving a sound of a vowel. Okay, so with these 2 words we always use an. Okay, is that clear to you all? So this was your introduction part, and then I have given you one notebook exercise which I gave you today only in the first part video. So our exercise was to put a, and or the in the blanks. So in this exercise I hope you all have watched my part 1 video very carefully. Now coming to our next exercise which we are going to do in this video. Okay, part 2 video. Is that clear to you all? Now again you will write and start this exercise from a new page. Clear? So when you will start a new exercise from a new page, you will again write down today's date, that is 22/7/2021. Part C, as we have completed part B in our first exercise, first part video. So this is your third exercise. Use a and the to complete the following. Now here are kind of sentences given with 2 blanks. Okay, 2 blanks are given in each sentence, so you have to read the word and then answer correctly. Okay, answer them correctly. So what you have to use, you will know when you will read the sentence carefully. So let's get started. First is dash ox and dash cow. Now ox is a word starting with o, so we will write an ox and a cow. Why we are writing a cow? Because cow is a word which is starting with consonant, and with consonant we always use a. Coming to the next, dash hour and dash minute. Now hour is a word starting with h, but it is giving a sound of a vowel, so we will use an hour, and a minute because m is a consonant. Now third is dash hen and dash egg. Now hen is a consonant starting with h, so we will write a hen and an egg. Why? Because E is a vowel. Then dash Ganga and dash Yamuna. Now Ganga and Yamuna are two names of a particular rivers. So what we will use? We will use the Ganga and the Yamuna. Is that clear? Then the fifth is dash oven and dash store. Now oven is a word which is starting with O, which is a vowel. So we will use an oven and a stove. Okay. And what is a store? Store is a word which is starting with S. That is a consonant. So we will use a before consonants. Is that clear? So there are only 5 sentences. I hope you all have understood. An ox and a cow, an hour and a minute, a hen and an egg, the Ganga and the Yamuna, an oven and a stove. Okay. So I hope you all have understood this. Now moving towards the next exercise, that is exercise D. Okay, the fourth exercise. So in this also I have given you complete sentences in which there is only one blank given. With all the sentences there is only one blank given. You have to read it carefully and you have to use a and the. Okay, so let's get started. First one, Mr. Sharma is dash teacher. Now teacher is a word which is starting with T, which is a consonant. So with a consonant we will automatically use a. Mr. Sharma is a teacher. Second is, there are 7 days in dash week. Now week is a word which is starting with W and W is a consonant. So with a consonant we always use a. So there are 7 days in a week. Coming to the third part, I would like to have dash egg for breakfast. Now egg is a word which is starting with E. So with E we will use an because E is a consonant. So vowel. So we will use an. I would like to have an egg for breakfast. We have used an because egg is a word which is starting with a vowel E. Clear? Then coming to the fourth part, people from all parts of India and dash world come to see Delhi. Okay, so people from all parts of India and the world. Why? Because पूरे हमारे planets में, in all the planet system जो हमारा है उसमें एक ही वर्ल्ड है. अर्थ एक ही है, एक ही वर्ल्ड है. सो इंडिया एंड द वर्ल्ड, THE, द वर्ल्ड विल बी यूज्ड. कम टू सी दिल्ली. ठीक है. All over, people from all over India and the world come to see Delhi. Now fifth sentence is, there is dash island in dash Arabian Sea. There is an island. Why we have used an? Because island is a word starting with I, which is a vowel. Island in the Arabian Sea. Now children, here you will see that Arabian Sea is a word which is starting with A. So you can ask me that why we have not used an. So children, your answer is that we have not used an here because Arabian Sea is a particular name of a sea. It is a definite name. We all know that there is only one Arabian Sea in whole world. So this is definite and particular. So we will use the for this word. Okay, there is an island in the Arabian Sea. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood these 5 sentences also. Once again I am repeating. First, Mr. Sharma is a teacher. There are 7 days in a week. Third is, I would like to have an egg for breakfast. Fourth is, people from all parts of India and the world come to see Delhi. Fifth part is, there is an island in the Arabian Sea. So by this we complete with our 4 exercises, children, and I hope you all have understood the topic of articles a and the, And children, I want you all to complete these 3 exercises by today itself, because tomorrow I will be giving you 2 activities to complete, and by this we will complete our chapter number 10. Is that clear? It is very simple and short chapter, so we have completed it. I hope you all will also complete this chapter in your notebooks very soon. Okay, so if there are any doubts, you can ask me through the online class which I will be taking next time. Okay, in English class you can ask me any doubts, but before asking your doubts, your work should be completed. Is that clear? So till my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.